This is truly an unprecedented situation.
This virus doesn't...
And I think we just don't know when the sun is going to come back.
The wildfires raging throughout the state.
That's right, more than 2.25 million acres burned in California this year already.
We have live team coverage tonight.
My name is Lee Burris, B-U-R-R-I-S. I'm calling from the Springfield Township Democratic Committee. Will you please return my call?
We have shuffleboard, volleyball, and many other activities.
When you wear a crystal, what happens is it helps to align your body.
Back in the days when I was a lad, there wasn't but one thing that made me mad. Sorry, bunch of biscuits. A bad bunch of biscuits. 3 times a day, 7 days a week.
Many a good man, I've laid many a good woman. I've had riches and fame and adventure. I've stood face to face with danger and death countless times.